This is 90 Seconds with AFS. Internet rumors are a terrible source of information on the automotive industry. Here are a few that you need to avoid. The Ford Taurus. Yes, there is a new Ford Taurus coming, and no, it's not coming to North America. With the dramatic decline in sales of sedans in the United States, there aren't many American automotive enthusiasts chomping at the bit to get their hands on a new Taurus. Sales of the last generation Taurus peaked at just under 80,000 units in the United States in 2013, the only year it outsold the Mustang. Ford has focused on trucks because the market has clearly turned away from traditional passenger cars. The only market for models like the Taurus is in rental fleets and police package vehicles, neither of which makes as much money as selling SUVs and pickups, which is why Ford now focuses on those markets and makes just one passenger car in North America. A market crash is coming. Prices of new vehicles have dramatically jumped over the last few years, pricing many people out of the new vehicle market. This was caused by supply chain issues and a focus on higher priced and therefore higher profit models. A concentration on higher priced models has skewed the average transaction price. With better supplies of parts, additional production is planned for lower priced cars and trucks, and this should lower the average transaction price over time. Also, production growth around the world will fill the pipeline and increase dealer inventory to competitive levels. This is by no means a sign of a market apocalypse, but just natural market competition. Do not expect a great recession-like crash in the near term. For more detailed and accurate information on this and the whole automotive industry, check out the Auto Forecast Monthly. I'm Sam Fiorani, and this has been 90 Seconds with AFS.